Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom GPT for your landscaping business. What this is going to do is it's going to create a custom version of ChatGPT tailored to your business. So right now, if I were to put a prompt in here, this is going to pull public information readily available from the internet to answer your questions. However, if you want to ask something specific about your business with internal documents, it's not going to have the information to do that. So if you want to be able to ask questions about, for example, your QuickBooks financials, I'll show you how to set that up. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to ask ChatGPT, what was my profit last year? How much did I spend on equipment? Just general prompts like that, which is going to pull from your actual data. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it manually. There are APIs you can set up, so it's going to have always up-to-date information, but those are paid services. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to under GPTs, we're going to click on Explore and My GPTs and create a custom version of ChatGPT. This one is going to be 855 Lawns custom GPT. Description, upload company-specific information to answer internal questions. All right, so the biggest thing here is knowledge. So the knowledge that it currently has without setting this up is just knowledge that's readily available on the internet. But if you want to provide internal information, what we can do is log into QuickBooks, go to reports, and right here we have our profit and loss report. So what I did here is I put in the dates for last year, and then I'm going to do print, and then I'm going to do save as PDF. I'm going to do this again for 2024. I'll probably also upload our budget into here. So it has that information for answering questions. And then I'm going to upload what we have to date so far for 2025. The date of this video is October 8th, so I'm going to upload through September. So January 2025 to 9/30/2025. Print, save as PDF, and the other thing I can upload is our budget. I'm searching here for budget. Budget overview. And this is our 2025 budget. So I'm going to print and save this to the PDF. The other thing we can upload is we have our handbook here. So I'm going to download this, download, save as Microsoft Word, that's fine. And one other thing, we have our pricing worksheet here. This is where we put in our weekly numbers, and I'll save this as an Excel document. And so you can upload any relevant documents to your business to be able to ask it questions. We're going to click upload here. We're going to upload all these files that we just downloaded. Right? We got our budget, our handbook. We have our profit and loss. Open. So these are the knowledge. This is where it's going to reference based on. This GPT will answer questions about the landscaping company, 855 Lawns. We could also export stuff from our CRM, like our customer list. We could export our service list, anything we want into here. Also, we'll give it some other directions too. We have a lot of information on our website, so reference information from the website. Our lawncare.com as well. All right. So now we're going to save this. So we're going to hit create. We'll do only me for now. All right, so this is now live. So now we'll click on what we just made, custom GPT, right? This is what we're going to use. We're going to say, what was our profit in 2023? So pretty cool, right? We can also say, is there anything in our handbook to address tardiness? These are just some examples how you can create this custom GPT for your business, and it's pretty awesome. So the way this is set up here, we could also do anything we want. We could compare 2023 profit to 2024 profit. We can ask for advice. We can compare. So now it has internet information from all over the internet. Compare this to industry statistics. Suggest where we can improve. So you can see the power and that's of what this can do here. So the way I set this up here, it's only going to use information that I uploaded. So as we get more information, it's not live. If you want to set up as live, there are ways to do that to set up the APIs. They are usually paid services, however. There's a company, Leanscaper, if you guys have heard about it, and essentially all their platform does is they have an API that syncs with your QuickBooks, and I'm not sure what else their Leanscaper value is providing there, but you can do this on your own in ChatGPT. So do you guys do anything like this? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this? Thanks.